This is a tornado in Zanesville, Ohio. This is just the beginning of it. It's raining like crazy right now. First one I've dealt with since Tennessee in 2007. I've never had to deal with one in Ohio. Oh yeah. Watch the sky. Tornado sirens went off about 20 minutes ago. It's coming from Athens. Klinger, you were so happy this morning. Please hurry up and get here before this starts. I'm gonna stay out here another minute. If the wind starts picking up again, I'm heading to the basement. My brother leave his windows down? No. I knew this was bad from the minute I woke up. There goes hail. Hold on, I'm gonna show you the stuff behind the house. Let me go upstairs. Oh, my TV's lighter. That's what it looks like. Kind of the same. It's not as bad out back as it is out front, but they say we're getting it from what I'd say west of the house would be, so about either over there or over there. I don't know which way west Denise is. About that way. There's a green light. Alright, well that's all when the tornado hits. I'll be recording that.